A dependable and uninterrupted point-of-sale system is critical for business success in today's fast-paced retail industry. However, intermittent internet connectivity problems or unstable networks can disrupt sales processes and reduce client satisfaction. To address this issue, Shopify POS provides a novel solution: offline mode. Shopify POS enables shops to continue serving their customers effortlessly by allowing them to conduct transactions and save data even when they are not connected to the internet. In this video, we'll look at the importance and benefits of offline mode in Shopify POS, as well as how it changes retail operations. Accepting uninterrupted sales. The retail industry operates in a wide range of venues, from bustling metropolitan centers to isolated regions with inadequate internet access. In such cases, the traditional reliance on an internet-dependent POS system can be a substantial impediment. Shopify POS's offline mode removes this restriction, allowing retailers to conduct business regardless of network availability. Retailers can execute transactions, take payments, and issue receipts even when an internet connection is unavailable or inconsistent. This feature guarantees that sales activities run smoothly, reducing downtime and increasing income potential. Customers can finish their purchases without interruption, resulting in a pleasant shopping experience and customer satisfaction. Data security and synchronization. Offline mode in Shopify POS features sophisticated data syncing capabilities in addition to easy transaction processing. When an internet connection is restored, Shopify POS instantly syncs the offline sales data with the central system, guaranteeing no data is lost. This seamless synchronization ensures that shops always have accurate and up-to-date sales data. Data security is a major concern for merchants, and offline mode in Shopify POS efficiently addresses this issue. While offline, the system securely retains sales data on the device, protecting sensitive customer information and transaction details. Offline mode reduces the risks associated with data breaches and unauthorized access by reducing dependency on constant internet connectivity. Mobility and adaptability. One of the key benefits of offline mode in Shopify POS is the freedom it provides retailers. It frees them from the confines of being confined to a single location with consistent internet connectivity. Retailers can take their business wherever and offer customers without limits, whether it's a pop-up shop, a trade fair, or an outdoor event. The mobility component of offline mode enables retailers to meet with clients in person and give a personalized purchasing experience. They can move around the store or event space with ease, serving customers, displaying products, and processing transactions on the spot. This dynamic strategy increases customer engagement and brand loyalty. Furthermore, the offline option in Shopify POS is especially useful for enterprises with many locations. When a single store's connectivity fails, retailers can smoothly switch to offline mode without interrupting the overall sales process. This adaptability ensures that business activities run well, regardless of individual store connectivity issues. Inventory control and analysis. Inventory management is an important component of retail operations, and offline mode in Shopify POS contains powerful options to meet this demand. Retailers may continue to track inventory levels, generate sales statistics, and manage goods even when they are offline. This functionality eliminates stock discrepancies and guarantees that shops always have precise inventory visibility. Furthermore, offline mode enables shops to gain significant insights into client behavior and sales patterns even when internet connectivity is limited or non-existent. When an internet connection is available, this data may be evaluated later, allowing businesses to make informed decisions about product assortment, marketing methods, and inventory replenishment.